A month ago, 25 tourists and one local villager were gunned down in Pahalgam. The sketches of 4 alleged Lashkar-e-Taiba terrorists, including at least 2 Pakistanis allegedly involved in the massacre, were released by the investigation agencies within 24 hours. The manhunt for the monsters of Pahalgam is yet to find success. The search and destroy operations have widened from Pahalgam to vast forest area of South and Central Kashmir. The mission includes physical scanning of large areas from Anantnag to Kokarnag, from Tral to Srinagar's Dachigam forest. Experts say finding the terrorists could be like finding a needle in the haystack.
It's a cat and mouse game. Whenever our military intelligence or our state intelligence or civil intelligence, when they can catch on to the modus operandi of terrorists, they graduate to something else, either technically or on apps. And similarly, we also keep upgrading our systems of catching the terrorist intercepts, as also the way we handle the counter-terrorist operations.
In the last 1 month, security grid, including the Army, Police, Rashtriya Rifles and CRPF, carried out multiple operations resulting in 3 encounters, 2 in South Kashmir and 1 in Kishtwar. 6 terrorists, including a senior commander of the Resistance Front, the Lashkar Front, believed to be behind the several terror attacks, were killed. However, the terrorists behind Pahalgam massacre somehow eluded the net.
Peer Panjal range. It's pretty high and it's a very tough terrain. It's like searching for a needle in a haystack. And also there are some tracks that lead you from South Kashmir into Kishtwar area, to Doda area, and the terrorists have been moving in those areas. So it's a question of time, and I'm sure all the agencies, all the security forces would be hunting for them.
The NIA, which took over the probe from the Jammu Kashmir police, has interrogated numerous locals, including pony operators, shopkeepers and photographers. The agency has also analysed mobile phone data, videos and images from the attack site. The reward of 20 lakh rupees have been announced for any credible leads. In the immediate aftermath of the attack, hundreds of individuals, including alleged overground workers of terror outfits, were detained. Most were released after questioning.
With a pause in Operation Sindoor, many say the security forces can fully concentrate on operations in hinterland. And that is why multiple counter-terror operations are currently taking place both in South Kashmir as well as in Jammu division. And this is where security forces say it's only a matter of time where they get the perpetrators behind the Pahalgam terror attack. With camera person Aman, this is Kamaljeet Sandhu for India Today.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe. If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.